people are drastically losing jobs because of AI. But you can make the same AI work for you. How? Let's see. Now for my editor friends out there, you can edit your videos by just uploading them and zoom ins, b-rolls, transitions, all of them by in just like one click with this tool, Submagic. Now if you want a free version of this, use Wisecut. It has no watermark and is free to try it out. Anyway, bye. Now that you have your video edited, don't you want to upload it on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts? For that, you can use Opus Clips. It takes the best part of your video and make sure it goes viral on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. It's actually a really cool tool. Do try it out. Let's go to the next. Do you have any problems while video editing?
Yeah, like when we have to remove the background and whether we are using like CapCut or Premiere Pro, it's really hard and the brush tool isn't really good. So we have to export it to After Effects and then like do the rotoscope and again export and bring it back to the timeline. It's a lot of work. So is there any AI tools which we can use?
There is a tool known as segment editing, so you can just upload your video to and it removes the background so good. You should try it. So have you faced an issue when you can't find the emoji that you need, like Albert Einstein laughing? Well, with this AI tool, you can generate your own emojis. I hope I could make you make money as a video editor. But if you are a manager, a coder, a designer, then comment down below. I can help you make money as well. But for now, if you want to know what AI is, check this video out. If you want to know as what crypto is, check this video out. Like it's a part of future tech and all. But there are a lot more other videos on my channel. Check it, and if you want, subscribe to and comment. That would be really good. And share. Okay, and all the stuff YouTubers tell you to do. Bye.